Hi, I'm James.
Hi, I'm Jean.
What do you think about when you hear Taiwan?
You may have heard about Taiwan from its COVID-19 epidemic prevention. Taiwan has its own prevention experience, which is deeply rooted in our national insurance system and the sound medical system.
More, Taiwan has a lot to offer in terms of smart healthcare and device, biopharmaceuticals, and the disease detection system.
In today's video, we will introduce 13 excellent Taiwanese healthcare companies. We welcome international partners to join our online trade meetings to find business opportunities. Let's take a look.
First of all, in the smart healthcare device categories, eBed is a leading company in the field of minimal invasive surgery. The Retina is a stereotactic surgery navigation system for neurosurgery, craniofacial, EMT, plastic surgery, oral and maxillofacial surgery, and other types of minimally invasive surgical applications.
eBed Inc. navigating the way to trustworthy healthcare. Good afternoon, my name is Emmanuel Felix Lespron, eBed's Global Marketing Manager, and today I'm here to introduce to all of you a real-time navigation, aka Retina. Since 2008, eBed Inc. has invested profusely in the development of navigation systems that allow doctors to convey difficult surgeries with minimally invasive treatments, and people to spend less time in recovery. By upholding the values of safety, precision, efficiency, and minimally invasive, eBed Inc. has strived to produce systems not only for doctors and dentists, but also for those starting to become the next generation in which we will rely on healthcare in the future. By developing educational, dental, and medical devices, eBed Inc. has shown steady growth over the past decade, acquiring awards and international certifications such as GMP, ISO for medical devices, and CE. Thanks to this last one, the international market opened its doors for us in Europe, from where our brand has started to expand away from its own home in Taiwan. The core of our technology is optical space location, some sort of Google Maps for surgery. With this, we allow doctors to plan and execute better craniofacial surgeries. How do we make this happen? By developing our very own software and camera. The precision reached by our R&D team has gotten our exactitude very close from zero, which allows the usage of different versions of DICOM during operation. Our full equipment brings classic medical device design. However, we have come up with other solutions for those clients on the go that are not limited to one hospital. Regardless of its presentation, the Retina was made to reduce unnecessary tissue injuries and to aid in minimal invasive surgeries. The applications included in our software are neurosurgery, craniofacial, ENT, plastic surgery, oral and maxillofacial, and other types of minimally invasive surgery. The workflow is quite simple. Our system works with optical navigation, which emits LED lighting from the camera or tracking unit that reflects into two different receptive markers that are placed next to the patient or mounted to the instrument to be used. The color codification allows the system know which one is the patient and which one will move around altogether with the instrument in use. Some of our key features include nerve indication to avoid delicate areas and permanent damage to nerves, segmentation to highlight abnormalities and surgical targets, and mirroring that allows doctors to copy and paste a healthy sample of the front of the skull onto a damaged area for reconstruction. The development of such key features was only possible thanks to the doctors that have accompanied us in the more of 180 documented surgical procedures we have performed, including some of the following: mandible tumor removal, occipital tumor removal, CSF suction, fracture on cheekbones, triple fracture on the skull, sinus tumor removals, CFS leakage, functional endoscopic sinus surgery, and many others. Do you want to see the equipment in action? Let's check it out. For more information about Retina or any other of the products made by IPET in Kaohsiung, Taiwan, please visit our website, www.ipetmed.com. Thank you for your attention and stay safe during these complicated times.
And next, Epoch Energy Technology Corporation specializes in the development, manufacturing, and sales of oxyhydrogen generators. Oxyhydrogen for health and beauty is Epoch's first product applied to health and beauty care.
You can't live without oxygen, and as it turns out, you can't live without hydrogen either. As you may know, hydrogen is the second lightest element in the universe. It is colorless, odorless, and not toxic. From the energy point of view, it is considered as green energy. You probably don't know that it works inside your body to keep you healthy. After you go through this short presentation, it will change the way you see hydrogen. There are several natural springs where people drink the water and see their health improve. After further analysis of the spring water, professionals found it contains enhanced amounts of molecular hydrogen. So sit back and enjoy. Our journey begins with this article published in the International Journal of Nature Medicine in 2007 by Shigeo Ota. You may find more than 1,200 public researches and articles regarding benefits of hydrogen-enriched water and molecular hydrogen. Hydrogen is the element with the symbol H and atomic number 1. Hydrogen is the lightest element. At normal conditions, hydrogen is a gas of diatomic molecules having the formula H2. It is colorless, non-toxic, and combustible. Now, wait a minute. You must be curious, and your questions in your mind, combustible? Is it dangerous? HB machines produce a unique mixed gas at 73% hydrogen and 27% oxygen to supplement oxygen to the human body to maintain life functions. A greater proportion of hydrogen reduces oxidation pressures that occur in daily life. It is perfect balance for the mixed gas to inhale without risk. Molecular hydrogen is suitable for all age groups to use. It works as a scavenger to clean out the free radicals accumulated inside your body's cells and reduce oxidation stresses caused from daily activities such as food, air, and water pollution, stress, and natural radiation. Epoch's HB products series is granted and certified with SNQ, CE, ISO 13485, and patents from various countries. Both safety tests and medical research have been done in Taiwan and Japan. We aim to supply the best quality and highest standards of safety for users. Ours is the only oxyhydrogen generator manufacturer certified by SNQ, Quality Ensured National Safety Certified. This national certification was first granted in December 2017 and continues to be recertified. It certifies that our health and beauty products, the HB series, has been awarded the symbol of national quality in the long-term health care products section by the Institute for Biotechnology and Medicine Industry. Cytotoxicity tests in compatibility by the Kaohsiung Medical University Department of Biomedical Science and Environmental Biology shows negative test results for the presence of toxic elements in the test cells after both 30 and 60-minute exposure times. This means that using our HB series will not cause any toxic materials to be produced or negative side effects. The following slides show the various SGS certifications, licenses, tests, and liability coverage for our HB series. And here are other certificates for this product series. some of the many patents for our products. EPIC was established in 2001, beginning with the development and research in the applications for oxyhydrogen generators. In 2014, the first HB series machine was introduced to the health market. The HB series is exported mainly to Japan, Malaysia, and other countries. We believe that with the EPIC team and international cooperation, we can supply the best quality products for innovation applications in health-related fields. A winner of 4 Energy Globe Foundation awards, including a highly prestigious World Award in 2010. We have received significant recognition and praise for our products over the years. As you can see, here are the product details for our HB series. Important company contact information can be found here. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Here at EPIC, we welcome any comments or feedback, or if you have any questions, please do contact us. We'll be happy to help. Thank you very much.
Matchmaking is Taiwan's healthcare AIoT expert, specializing in turnkey IoMT solution. They are looking for worldwide distributors and business partners. The business model is solution selling. For hospitals or project requests, Matchmaking can offer turnkey hardware and software.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jason Miao, and I'm glad to represent Matchmaking to introducing our cutting-edge technology and innovation smart healthcare solution to you. First, let me introduce you Matchmaking. We are a company focusing on the Internet of Medical Things solutions. Our vision is to integrate Taiwan's strong ICT technology with excellent digital hospital experience as a package solution to the worldwide market. There are 3 major markets we're focusing on. They including smart hospital, elderly care center, and B2B2C health promotion solutions. At those scenarios, our solution can help to avoid never event, reduce caregiver workload, and increasing patient experience. Now, let me introduce the telehealth RPM platform. The telehealth vital sign is widely used at hospital, clinic, long-term care center, and patient's home, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic. Matchmaking's telehealth platform solution is a single platform, support multiple kinds of using scenario, including kiosk at hospital, mobile pack at home, and nursing cart at the quarantine room. Moreover, the platform can support well-known brand of blood pressure meters, body temperature meters, oxygen meters for manual control detection or auto continuous detection. Besides, the telehealth RPM platform supports standard API, can easily connect to hospital EMR, HIS, or third-party system. Now, let's look how this system is operating. The second solution I would like to introduce is the medication automatic dispensing cabinet. The ADC is a decentralized concept to control dangerous or high-priced medicine. It's using at ICU, emergency room, mental center, or long-term care center. The ADC support ID card, ID and password, or biometric identification with double or triple authority. It can provide a high security guarantee. IMETEC provide a complete series of ADC from standard to desktop type. The management capacity from 12 up to 144 individual control medication box, and each box can be locked and unlocked individually. After the medicine order scan, caregiver can only pick up the medicine from the single unlocked box. So the system can make sure user pick the right medicine or return at the right place. The ADC support pickup, return, supply, inventory check, 4 kinds of function. Also, with a report system, user can easily check the most update status and number of medications. Now, let's look the ADC live demo operating. At last, I would like to introduce the de-identification care monitoring system. We all understand the fall is a high risk for elderly people. It might cause permanent damage. But how can we monitor elderly people, but not invasion of privacy? TOF technology is the answer. The TOF is using infrared reflection to create 3D image, but it's not a camera, so it's no RGB image, but only black and gray. IMETEC use an AI algorithm to distinguish, is he a person? The person is sitting on the bed, lie on the bed, leave the bed, or fall down near the bed. Whenever the patient status change, the system will simply send alarm to caregiver's app, so caregiver can provide the immediately care wherever and 24 hours a day. Let's see how it's working.
Falls in the elderly are a serious issue in healthcare units, particularly in long-term care facilities, rehab centers, mental health inpatient services. To proactively reduce the likelihood of fall and hospitalization is crucial.
This is a time-of-flight camera, also known as TOF camera, and it's a key component of IMETEC's fall monitoring system.
This tech is unlike typical fall detection device where you have to put on the wearable. By depth mapping capabilities, it can detect patient emotion via infrared, meaning patient privacy is protected during the remote monitoring process.
Here is the scenario. Above the ward bed, TOF camera is mounted to the ceiling. Ideally, the distance between the bed and the camera is 2 to 3 meters long. In operation, to ensure timely data transmission, an edge computer is included amongst its system server, connecting to your EMR and the cloud, and by using AI algorithm, you can set up the system when to sound alert. By default, we defined 4 motions: fall, not in bed, lie, and sit by edge, depending on each patient's condition.
Here's a demo. The person is in lying position, rolls over to the side, sits, and leaves the bed. He falls to the ground. Simultaneously, bed status of patient James starts to flash. You click on his profile and will see a red dot marked on the timeline. Underneath, a full instant was recorded at 15:26. James's nurse is warned by push notification, the nursing station by flashing bed status icon. For more information, please check imedtech.com. We're happy to discuss more with you.
So, it's pretty exciting, right? With so many good Internet of Medical Things technology, we can help you to provide better care service to human beings. We are sincerely invite the system integrator and distributor to join us, provide those excellent solutions to your customers. We believe we can help to create a better care environment together. Thank you.
Coming next, Jingmiao International Corp is a Taiwanese company which specializes in customized products. Its BioMicCube is a portable whole-room filterless air purifier that uses the same core industry-grade bipolar ionization technology found in many commercial buildings and hospitals.
Introducing BioMicCube, a uniquely simple, truly portable, whole-room filterless air purifier. With its laboratory-proven bipolar ionization technology, the BioMicCube keeps the air in your space treated with active oxygen ions. Combined with a high-powered, energy-efficient 6-speed fan, the BioMicCube maximizes air purification in your immediate surroundings and can treat a room 300 square feet in 10 minutes or less. It's truly simple. There are no apps, no filters, and no consumable parts. Meet Robert and Blake Haldeman, the BioMicCube founders. As aviation professionals, they saw firsthand the global impact caused by indoor air quality. Incorporating the same plasma technology used in private jets, they created something affordable, versatile, and functional because everyone deserves access to better air quality. The team iterated through many prototypes to perfect their design. They created this lightweight, palm-sized air purifier with zero ozone, maximum airflow, and extreme ion generation. By increasing the amount of both positively and negatively charged ions, air quality is improved. This is the basis of bipolar ionization technology found inside every BioMicCube. The BioMicCube is for you, the road warrior, the public transportation rider, the digital nomads moving between cafes and hotels. It's for the busy parent keeping the home odor-free and ionized. It's for the teacher concerned about their students at school, wanting to provide them with the best indoor air quality. The BioMicCube is the solution for you. It's designed and manufactured by our global team in the United States and Taiwan. We sincerely hope we can help improve the air quality for you and your loved ones so that everyone can breathe freely and relax. Please join our Kickstarter campaign. Thank you from the entire BioMicCube team.
Thank you for supporting our BioMicCube. 谢谢你们支持我们的 BioMicCube。谢谢你们。
Next, we have 6 innovative biopharmaceutical companies. First, Xinjun Biotech is a professional contract development and manufacturing company specializing in the biofermentation of probiotic and mushroom mycelium. They are a comprehensive one-stop global CDMO partner.
Good day, everyone. Welcome to Xinjun Biotech. I'm Joe, and I'm glad to have this pleasure to be here. Thank you for joining me in this presentation. Today, I'll be taking the opportunity in presenting the company introduction together with our main product and services here. Due to the time constraint, it is going to be a very brief introduction, and hopefully it will be able to bring us to your attention. Firstly, let me introduce about our company, Xinjun Biotech. Xinjun first started as a division of Standard Pharma, and it certainly gave us a strict guideline as a member of Pharmaceutical Group. We grew into an independent company since early 1999, consolidate functional food-related product lines, and specializing core competency in microbiome fermented product development, such as probiotic and medicinal fungi. Moreover, we are the first certified APIs manufacturer in Taiwan, delivering excellent quality service with competitive market position. In short, we are a CDMO company, provide globally certified manufacturing services along with product development on both functional ingredients and premium dietary supplements. We have two main holdings located in the sunny southern part of Taiwan. Both are fully established, and we have been approved by our sophisticated customers and government authorities, not only from Taiwan, but also from overseas. With the demand of the market, we are looking at expanding our number of manufacturing sites in the very near future. In addition, marketing offers are also available in the central part of Taipei for the conveniences of our international customers. In order to provide best quality of service to our valuable customers, our team have been putting constant effort in improving our quality of production. We received the on-site auditing assessment from FDA of United States and confidently passed. Certificates such as NSF GMP, PIX GMP, Halal, and TOC are also available to meet the requirement of our global customers. Here comes our main services. In the recent decades, we have successfully developed business in both functional ingredients and dietary supplement products. And topics of services that Shenzhen provided, including contract manufacturing, private labeling, explosion-proof extraction, key functional ingredients, supplied are probiotic, medicinal fungi, together with APIs. Meanwhile, our strength and expertise lies within contract manufacturing, where we provide comprehensive solutions from functional ingredients to customized finished products. With years of dedicated service efforts and positive feedbacks from our loyal customers, we have accumulated great portfolio and confidence to offer our service to you. Our in-house capability, including the full production of liquid, granule, capsules, and tablets with varieties of shapes, size, and packaging options. Using tablets as an example, in order to provide a supplement that is effective and delicate to the need, wide range of tableting options are available. We provide multi-layer tablet services which could incorporate both the benefit of extended time releasing and fast disintegration. Sugar-coated tablets are also available together with many other dosage forms. Powders with several turnkey packaging options, including bottles, pouches, bags, and customized solutions. Granulization are applied to achieve unique demand of flavoring, disability, and various needs. Shenzhen Biotech is here to make your brand a stronger business. Our team of R&D experts is committed to help you in actualizing your vision to the market worth. In addition to contract manufacturing, we also provide private labeling services together with 100% customized development to suit your needs. Here is the brief illustration of our capacity backline. More facilities with various dosage forms are still in progress. In order to achieve high volume of capacity among various categories, we support new product development using exclusive and effective product portfolio formulations. Innovation and the market-leading mindset are driving us forward to continuously challenge ourselves in product development. We believe the best way to tackle the market is to lead it by examples. Over the years of product development, we are fully aware of the importance of key ingredients. Here are our probiotics. In order to support our customer on their product performance, along with the competitiveness, in-house fermentation together with the functional ingredient development has also become one of our focuses in R&D development. Our product portfolio in probiotics covers a full range of spectrum, more than what commonly be known as probiotics. Shenzhen also provides biogenics, which are also known as postbiotics, such as LCW23 and Proga28, which have a much wider application in terms of production. I certainly cannot address enough about our premium standard of production. Shenzhen is dedicated in the production of pharmaceutical-grade probiotics, as well as mupirocin calcium. We are the first certified API manufacturers using bioprocess in Taiwan. All API products were manufactured in compliance with the requirements of PIX GMP to meet the demand in the global market. Shenzhen Bacosphere is the first viable microorganism OTC product approved in Taiwan. Let's come back to probiotics. Here we have BC198, which has competitive feature to stay strong even under instant temperature of 95 degrees Celsius. It is a perfect ingredient to be included for gut health and weight management. LCW23 is a clinically proven probiotics ingredient which helps to ease the symptoms of allergy. Worldly patented SGA95 is highly promoted for its function in oral health. Here we have Gano88, which improves immunity. If you ever consume Ganodermal product in Taiwan, then most likely you are drinking one of our products. ST4 is also stronger strain, which maintain good viability under stressful environments. Functions such as alleviate lactose intolerance and regulate immunity is also very well accepted. Our in-house technology of H. Stella sinuses production delivers excellent quality you can trust. These are the main branded functional ingredients we offered. Functional research from molecular biology level to clinical trials have been carried out to ensure its effectiveness. Patents and global awards have been attained as a recognition. More importantly, successful products with positive feedbacks are the core value of our key ingredients. Wide range of applications are the key elements of our goal of development. And hopefully it can also be a great contribution to you and your company. Usually we would be open for questions and requests at the end of the presentation to make sure we are on the same page here. Under the circumstances, we could not make immediate reply to you due to the recording session. However, you are more than welcome to send us any of your questions to the contact details here. With our experiences and expertise in pharmaceutical and nutraceutical fields, we are confident to be your reliable global partner, help you to build trustworthy and competitive products from Taiwan. You are welcome to visit our company website at www.senjunbiotech.com to know more about our products and services. Look forward to hear from you in the near future, and we wish you a very lovely day.
Second, GME is an TFDA-certified PICS GMP biopharmaceutical company focused on the manufacture of highly purified botanical ingredients. Hepanemin is the unique milk thistle which is fully compliant with the U.S. Pharmacopoeia.
GNE is founded by Professor Guo, who had been a faculty member in the Department of Biochemistry at Kaohsiung Medical College for 23 years. Dr. Guo leads the research team and invents SRT-100 new drug for cancer treatment and hepanemin, a high bioavailability silymarin. GNE is a Taiwan public company established in 2002 and listed on the Financial Emerging Market of Taiwan in 2011 with the stock code of 4911. GNE has TFDA certified PICS GMP pharmaceutical, food supplement, and cosmetic factories. GNE is a professional drug development company. GNE develops drugs including SRT-100 gel for genital wart, common wart, actinic keratosis treatment, and injection for cancer treatment. Hepanemin, which is the highest bioavailability silymarin for the maintenance of liver, kidney, and gallbladder health. GNE also provides ward-patented anti-aging and anti-inflammation cosmetics and functional food supplements for optic nerve protection. Hepanemin has technically broken through the bioavailability bottleneck of silymarin and has the highest bioavailability of silymarin in the world. Liver is related with pancreatic blood glucose control. Detoxified fatty soluble waste will be transported to gallbladder. If the detoxified waste cannot be completely eliminated from liver, liver inflammation will be occurred. Hepatocytes are responsible for the production of 80 to 90% of the circulating innate immunity proteins in the body, and the liver contains a large number of resident immune cells. Many of the immune diseases, such as immune tolerance and overreactive immunity, are all related with liver function. Milk thistle is a very popular food supplement for liver protection in the world. However, low oral bioavailability of silimarin results in uncertain efficacy. Numerous academic papers have shown that silimarin can effectively treat diseases that are currently untreatable in humans. Thousands of academic papers of silimarin have been published. Silimarin has been proved effective for liver cirrhosis, chronic kidney disease, NAFLD, NASH, and autoimmune diseases in animal and cellular studies. However, bioavailability of silimarin is the bottleneck of its efficacy. The major active component, silibin, is hardly dissolved in water or oil, and the poor oral bioavailability causes silimarin to have limited clinical application, and lead to the commercial silimarin products are not really effective. The bioavailability of silimarin has been stated in U.S. Pharmacopoeia by the dissolution analysis. The dissolution rate of qualified silimarin must be no less than 75% of the label amount of silimarin as silibin is dissolved. These are current milk thistle food supplements sold in U.S. market. Comparison of the pharmacopoeia dissolution rate among milk thistle products around the world. Hipanamin ranks number 1 with 93.8%, the highest dissolution rate among the milk thistle products. In addition, hipanamin is fully compliant with U.S. Pharmacopoeia standards. Hipanamin has the highest dissolution rate among the silimarin products in Singapore. Hipanamin has the highest dissolution rate among the silimarin products in Taiwan, with the dissolution rate up to 98%. Pharmacokinetic study of hipanamin showed the silibin plasma concentrations are 35 and 8.54 higher than Taiwan-made and Germany-made silimarin references, respectively. The high bioavailability of hipanamin has made previous untreatable diseases become treatable now. GNE has breakthrough absorption bottleneck of silimarin. Hipanamin conforms to the US and the Taiwan Pharmacopoeia standards. Hipanamin is a TFDA-approved and PCGMP medicine for the treatment of liver, gallbladder, kidney diseases in Taiwan. Hipanamin has been successfully exported to Singapore, and the silimarin ingredients of hipanamin can be served as food supplement in most countries. Hipanamin significantly reduces liver inflammation in animal study. Liver tissue sections from hipanamin-treated rats showed similar histological morphology to the normal liver. Hepatoprotective efficacy of hipanamin is significantly greater than conventional silimarin products. The patient experience before and after taking hipanamin. Blood indexes of the liver function were greatly improved in a few months. Some people with severe symptoms even can be improved within 14 days. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, also known as NAFLD, accounts for about 25% of the total adult population and 50% in diabetes or obesity patients. NAFLD is the leading cause of cardiovascular disease, and 1/3 of them are accompanied by liver inflammation, also known as NASH. There are currently no available drugs in the world. Silimarin can effectively treat NAFLD and NASH, according to the reports. Thus, high bioavailability of hipanamin may be the only drug to treat NAFLD and NASH. More and more scientific evidences have proved that silimarin can improve chronic kidney disease. The high bioavailability of hipanamin may be the way to control CKD progression. GNE's exclusive active ingredient, SRT-100, is extracted from natural plant. Academic dermatology journals have evidenced the anti-aging and anti-inflammation effect of SRT-100. SRT-100 has been well studied and has been published numerous of related papers. There are two apoptotic pathways of SRT-100. SRT-100 has global patents with anti-wart, anti-aging, anti-inflammation, and anti-cancer. SRT-100 can protect UV-induced skin solar elastosis. By immunohistochemistry, we showed that during UV light only group, the expression of NF-κB indicates skin inflammation and the mast cell increase, while during UV light plus SRT-100 group, there is no skin inflammation and only very few mast cells. 6 visible tumors generated on the hairless mouse skin after UV radiation. After 4 days treatment with SRT-100 gel, total 26 erosions were observed, implying that SRT-100 gel is capable of identifying and removing 20 subclinical tumors, which were invisible on the skin within 10 days. Comparison of SRT-100 gel treatment of skin aging on one side and the control on the other side of the same patient. SRT-100 has the potential to improve wrinkles. Loss of elastic fibers is a kind of skin aging. SRT-100 can rebuild the skin elastic fibers, which can improve skin wrinkle condition. Mutant p53 is a marker of skin aging. After SRT-100 treatment, the mutant p53 is disappear, indicating that SRT-100 can improve the skin aging condition. The expressions of carcinogenic mutant p53 and SOX2 were significantly reduced, and the anti-carcinogenesis NOTCH1 expression was significantly increased after SRT-100 gel treatment. NAMM-B1 is a novel marker to identify senescent cells. Skin NAMM-B1 is a marker of young age. Most skin of people will lose of NAMM-B1 if the age is more than 5 years old. After SRT-100 treatment, the NAMM-B1 expression in human skin was restored. NAMM-B1 expression was significantly decreased in the sun-damaged skin before treatment. Also, the expressions of mutant p53 were significantly reduced after SRT-100 gel treatment. The academic paper shows SRT-100 can improve skin aging and prevent carcinogenesis. Goji berry is a traditional Chinese medicine and has long been used to treat ocular diseases and cardiovascular diseases. Health food for eye supportation is necessary for modern people. In addition to lutein supplement, the optic nerve should also be protected. Lithium barberine polysaccharides, ingredient of goji fruit, will be a good option for the eye supportation of frequent use of technical products. Many pharmacological evidences of retina and optic nerve protections, neuroprotection, antioxidant effect, and immune regulation of lithium barberine polysaccharide have been reported. Oral administration of lithium barberine polysaccharides can inhibit photoreceptor cell apoptosis. Illustrations of the action mechanisms of lithium barberine polysaccharides in retina protection. Lithium barberine polysaccharides appears to affect 4 primary processes during retina disease: antioxidation, neuroprotection, blood-retina barrier protection, and immune modulation. Thus, lithium barberine polysaccharides is an excellent ingredient for optic nerve protection. GNE's Goji product is extra-added SRT-100. SRT-100 is world patented with anti-aging and anti-inflammation functions. The herbal formula will enhance the properties of lithium barberine polysaccharides and increase the capacity of retina and optic nerve protections, neuroprotections, antioxidant effect, and immune regulation. Please feel free to contact GNE for further information.
Third, Prochain Pharmtech is a leading API manufacturer. The quality control laboratory is well equipped with HPLC, GC, SH-GC, TOC, FTIR, ICP-OES. Progen is equipped with different size reaction tanks and facilities, which aim to reach 100% capacity utilization in manufacturing.
Hello, my name is Peggy Wang. I'm going to introduce you our company, Progen Pharmatech in Taiwan. It will be our pleasure to make this presentation, and we are committed to provide you the excellent quality of API products and service. Speaking of business scope, Progen Pharmatech is an active pharmaceutical ingredient manufacturer, and we are in the business of API manufacture for 10 years. We also have a branch office that specializes in biotechnology product, collagen peptide. Our services include to manufacture and supply API development, medical or chemical intermediates, and collagen peptide. Progen Pharmatech is headquartered in Southern Taiwan Science Park, where this area is also well known for world-class semiconductor industries. There are 2 independent factories, and both are located in Southern Taiwan Science Park. The upper left picture shows you our headquarters, which is targeted for general APIs and medical or chemical intermediates. The down left picture shows you our second factory. We call it Huandong Factory, which is focused on carbapenem product. That is one of the antibiotics classification. The company's capital is around $15 million US. We have obtained national certification of PIC GMP in 2020. Here, I'm going to talk about our company's milestone. Progen Pharmatech was founded in 2010 and was entered the incubation center of Southern Taiwan Science Park in 2011. In 2012, the first production line of antibiotics was set up in Huandong Factory. In this factory, we have obtained PIC GMP in 2017. Then, we started the general API business in the new factory site with bigger space, where is our headquarters located now. One of our products, bicalutamide, has been obtained PIC GMP in 2020. Another product, lansoprazole, is under the process of TFDA audit and will be expected to get the GMP certificate by end of this year. Speaking of our antibiotics product, ertapenem, we have done 3 batches of product verification in 2021. For the following slides, I'm going to provide you more details of our products. Progen Pharmatech started the business with antibiotics, so we have capability of manufacturing and supplying the relative carbapenem products. For example, imipenem and imipenem plus cilastatin. Now, we are fully focused on ertapenem, and we are expected to supply sterile injection and lyophilized powder in the near future. For the general API products, bicalutamide is the API for the symptom of prostate cancer, and the lansoprazole is the API for the symptom of gastric ulcer. These 2 products are both certified with exportation licenses. Certainly, there are several items still under development by our R&D team. One of the items is the API for the symptom of anticoagulants. This slide shows several items of intermediates that we have done before. Now we have cooperated with several local well-known companies. You are more than welcome to discuss with your needs, and we will meet your requirements. This is the PIC GMP certified of bicalutamide. These are the exportation licenses. Bicalutamide's license is on the left-hand side, and the lansoprazole's license is on the right-hand side. This slide shows the quality control analytical instrument, and it's well equipped with HPLC, GC, ICP-OES, particle size analyzer and etc. And the last 5 items are the instruments for microbiology laboratory. Procam Pharmtech has a talented R&D team with doctoral and master degree. This slide shows our technical capabilities: alkylation, hydrogenation, low temperature reaction, and etc. Production capability. Procam Pharmtech is equipped with different sizes of reaction tanks and facilities. And this slide just shows you part of our production area. When it comes to the spore system, the operating temperature range, we can do -10 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius, which the chemical reaction can be done through from frozen water to steam. Another support system is vacuum system. Its operating range is -720 to -740 millimeters of mercury. Here are the pictures that display our QC lab. Here are the pictures that display our production area. Here are the pictures that display the bird view of our headquarters and different corners of view. Our branch office that specializes in biotechnology product is called collagen peptide. It's derived from milkfish scale extract from Taiwan, which has the highest compatibility with the human body. The purity reaches 98% with no saccharides or Western medicine. It's a nanotechnology and can be widely applied in health supplement and skincare products. It uses the only purest ingredients, no worries about infection or contamination. Most importantly, it's readily absorbed and utilized by your body. Thank you for your attention. We're looking forward to hearing from you. For further details and information, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.
Next coming up, Sunmax specializes in collagen medical products, including aesthetic dermal filler, skincare series, dental implant biomaterials, and orthopedic injection. Sunmax bone graft is employed for both dental and orthopedics operations.
Maxygen Biotech utilizes its core competence in biopolymer and has developed a broad range of applications in areas such as medical devices and skincare products.
Maxygen Biotech Incorporated. MBI, Make Better Life. MBI is located in Taiwan. Our headquarters is in Taoyuan, and the skincare manufacturer is in Tainan. We have two major departments, biomedical department and skincare department. Collagen, bioceramic and hyaluronic acid are the three major medical materials in biomedical department. Hyaluronic acid. There are three product lines which are intra-articular injection, OVD and dermal filler injection. Intra-articular injection, made of hyaluronic acid, can be directly injected into the painful and inflamed joint cavities for the treatment of osteoarthritis. We have three different dosages of intra-articular injection: 1 dose, 3 dose, and 5 dose. RD Best is 1 dose cross-linked product. RD8 Plus is 3 dose and RD8 is 5 dose. Ophthalmic viscoelastic OVD can be used in cataract surgery to protect the corneal endothelium during the replacement of intraocular lens. There are three products in OVD product line: cohesive, dispersive and ophthalmic viscoelastic system. Viscate is the cohesive OVD, Previscate is the dispersive OVD, and BIVISC is the ophthalmic viscoelastic system. Dermal filler injection can be injected beneath the skin to restore the tissue volume, enrich the shape, and contour the facial features. We have 5 dermal filler products, based on different particle sizes. Each product is uniquely formulated to have a certain texture, density, and injection depth. Synthetic bone graft can be used to fill bony defects which might be surgically created voids or defects from traumatic injury to the bone in non-weight-bearing area. We have 3 calcium phosphate ceramic bone materials and 3 synthetic bone material products made with collagen. There are completed product lines in artificial bone materials. Each product has different characteristics, and the most suitable product can be selected according to different needs. The collagen-based regenerative matrix has porous structure and inherent characteristics of natural collagen. There are different types and specifications according to different surgical procedures. There are 3 products for collagen-based regenerative matrix: guided tissue regeneration membrane and wound dressing. We have collagen-based regenerative matrix that can be used for dental and surgical wounds. MBI's products are sold all over the world, the sales continues expanding, and all the products are made in Taiwan. We have obtained many certificates in quality. Our mission is to provide the best quality and services to our customers. Thanks for watching. If you have any interests of our products, please contact us.
Tyson is a well-established medical OEM company for hydrophilic PU material technology and wound healing solutions. With great experience in R&D and manufacturing, Tyson wound healing solutions have been utilized by numerous clinicians to provide effective, reliable wound treatments.
I'm Gordon, the founder of Tyson Technology. Tyson is committed to convey technology research and product development of wound healing solutions to improve efficiency, medical quality, and shorten treatment by combining innovation material, biotechnology, and clinical medicine. Through the complete combination of these 3 aspects to create a wound healing solution, Tyson is your best and expert partner. Tyson Technology Corporation was established in 2014 at the Southern Science Park in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. The Tyson facilities include our own factory, which has already acquired the quality management system certified by ISO 13485 and the GMP certification as well. In addition to their innovation material technology, Tyson's manufacturing technology also includes professional coating technology, infusion technology, gel filling technology, and spray bottom filling technology. The Tyson product has obtained TFDA, FDA, CE marks, and other product licenses recognized internationally. Step 1. Our core business model is mainly from the doctor who discover wound treatment problems. The second step, after discussing with the doctors, we find the most suitable material and the serious wound solutions. And the third step, and then undergo basic medical certification, such as various animal cell experiments, functional test, or safety test. The fourth step, we chose the most suitable process technology for the product manufacturing. From raw material to products, Tyson deliver all the way through. The fifth, the next relevant medical regulation and the product certification. The sixth, then finally enter the human experience stage. Therefore, through such a series of processes, it becomes the main spirit that Tyson wants to convey, your expert partner for wound healing solutions. Tyson's core patent technology is water-based PU technology. Whether it is absorbent foam or PU gel for scar control, we can use our unique process technology to maximize the effectiveness of the material.
Hi, this is Shumin from Tyson Technology. Tyson is a well-established medical OEM company for hydrophilic PU material technology and wound healing solutions. With great experience in R&D and manufacturing, Tyson continues to develop and manufacture best-in-class OEM medical devices. Tyson wound healing solutions have been utilized by numerous clinicians to provide effective, reliable wound treatment that supports advanced wound therapy delivery. Our extensive experience in producing and delivering custom OEM medical devices makes us an ideal partner for companies in need of hydrophilic PU material technology and wound healing solutions. Tyson wound healing solutions contains 5 solutions. One is C-section solution. Second one is diaper rash solution. Third one is chronic wound solution. Fourth one is acute wound solution. Fifth is pressure relief solution. I will introduce each of them in the following pages. Post-operative care. For the C-section post-operative solution, we divide it into 3 stages because according to the wound healing process. Stage 1, we provide absorb, exudate, super absorption, retention, and anti-adhesion. It will help the wound healing faster. The second stage, we try to provide wound closure and the scar formation reduction. The third stage, because the scar is start to forming, so we provide high moisturize, scarring prevention, and the downward pressure on wound to help the scar won't arise. Then you can see the right-hand side, the clinical trial case. Day 2 through week 24, you can see there is no scar at all. Then for the baby solutions, we just try to overcome the diaper rash problem. The BB barrier film can isolate fecal urine irritation, and it also waterproof and protects small wounds, especially there are some natural plant essential. So this product is very mild and natural for the baby. So you can see a case study here. The baby with very serious diaper rash. Then the mom used the BB barrier film. After 4 days, the diaper rash was gone. So the mom continued to use the BB barrier film to prevent the diaper rash. So far, it works very well. For the mom, especially for breastfeeding mom, the nipple will encounter some problem. So we provide the Tyson PU gel pad for nipple care. We provide proper permeability, absorbency, hypoallergenic, and long usable time and relieve the nipple pain. So this one is very good for breastfeeding mom, provide a comfortable breastfeeding experience. Next, I would like to introduce acute and chronic wound care solutions. We try to provide the most suitable product for every stage of wound healing. Here are 6 products. One is hydrogel. The hydrogel provides tissue replacement with osmotic pressure. The second one is wound gel. Wound gel, we have special formula which try to fit the wound bed and accelerate the revitalization. The third one is wound powder. That's the most powerful product. It is a collagen dressing which can be used to cover wounds and absorb tissue exudate. The fourth one is anti-adhesion wound super absorbent wound dressing. It with high absorption and non-reweight and anti-adhesion. The fifth one is wound patch. It provides moisture and repel skin around the wound. The sixth one is Agenate wound dressing. It is extracted from natural seaweed It has a soft and comfortable texture and a high absorption. Now, following, I'm going to introduce some real study case. For the acute wound, the first one is a scar case. You can see day 1 and in the first stage, inflammation stage. We try to provide the function to remove blisters from scars to avoid wound infection. So doctors will use wound gel and the wound patch. Then the second stage is proliferation, granulation tissue, and epithelialization. It tries to give proper moisture to the wound and help epithelialization. So doctors can use wound gel plus wound patch again. The last stage, when they do the epithelialization, just purely use wound gel to give proper moisture to the wound and promote healing. The next case is a pressure sore case. The pressure sore case, it takes a long time to heal, but our product can shorten the process and the healing time. For the first stage, we need to soften the necrotic tissue and facilitate debridement. So we use hydrogel plus wound patch. Then after debridement, we just try to remove the soft tissue and make the wound bed clean. So hydrogel plus super absorbent PU foam dressing can help. In the meanwhile, the doctor sometimes will use AV gauze to remove the bacteria. Then the third stage, the granulation tissues stage. We try to use wound powder, agent dressing, super absorbent PU foam dressing when the wound is too moist. Then another situation is when the wound is too dry, we will use wound powder, plus wound gel, and the super absorbent PU foam dressing. The last stage, when they try to do the epithelialization and the healing, we try to give proper moisture to the wound and help epithelialization. So we will use wound gel and the super absorbent PU foam dressing. So it will make the pressure sore case here in 90 days. Before, probably it will take 9 months. For the next case is a diabetic foot ulcer case. This case, first of all, the doctor will get into the evaluation phase. They will soften necrotic tissue and facilitate debridement. After debridement, they will use the wound powder and agent dressing. Try to speed up the granulation tissues stage. When they move to the day 45, they get into the epithelialization stage. Tyson product will give proper moisture to the wound and help epithelialization by using wound gel, super absorbent PU foam dressing, or agent dressing. Okay, next I'm going to introduce pressure relief solutions. Tyson developed a product called skin pressure relief pad for oxygen mask. When people wear an oxygen mask for a long time, it may cause pressure sores on the patient's face. Tyson designed the product with 3 features. 1, redistribute pressure. 2, reduce friction. 3, maintain permeability. So it can reduce skin tissue damage very well. The product structure contains PU film and the PU foam. So it can reduce the pressure properly. The R&D team also did experimental tests. You can see the result is tremendously very well. Thank you for your time. If you are interested in cooperating with Tyson, you may visit our website. It's tyson.com. Or you may contact me with the following contact information. Thank you.
Next, we have 3 Taiwanese companies which specialize in disease detection. First, Muon Biomedical and Optoelectronic Technology is a medical AI technology solution provider. Its products include smart hospital software and hardware, and customized AR solutions. With medical AI assistant, operators can simply input hundreds of thousands of images and labels into the AI system.
Hello, this is Flora Lee. I'm the assistant to our management team, and I'm very honored to share with you about Muon AI. We think data is valuable. You just need the right tool to read them. If you would like to build an AI prediction model, in most cases, Python coding skills is needed. Though it is hard for many people to find the time to become really good at Python. Even if you are a data holder and you consider to hire Python engineers to build a model for you, miscommunication may occur, and the time and effort to this process is costly. Muon AI offers a platform technology called Maya. Maya is easy to use. You can start a deck of data to train and generate your own prediction model within a few clicks. On top of that, the computing power required is one 8GB GPU laptop. Moon AI created advanced AI technology that allows you to complete AI projects without Python codes and functions upon very small computing power. More than 10 medical centers and hospitals here in Taiwan have been able to implement Maya to complete research and projects. In the past, physicians and computer science team may have to co-work and spend 6 to 9 months or even a longer period of time to work on one single project. With Maya, physicians now can get a dozen model trained within a week. We've also competed in Kaggle with Maya technology and received quite a few recognitions. Last but not least, we're based in Taipei, Taiwan, and we're a team of 10. Every one of us is data scientists. We process and analyze data every day. We are enthusiasts about data science, and we look forward to making our technology available for people around the world. I will now further share with you about our team, our solution, and our plan to fundraise. A little bit more about our company origin. Our business group started 10 years ago to manufacture and distribute medical devices. We have products such as bone cement, bone grafting materials, wound dressings, and many more. We started Moon Company in 2018 to focus on medical AI software development, originally for physicians and hospitals, but we've also been able to acquire many clients from other industries. Our founding team includes our chairman, Dr. Wang, who is also the chairman of the medical device companies. Our vice chairman, Mr. Wang, has over 20 years of experiences in managing technology companies. And Dr. Li, who is a professor of National Yangming Jiaotong University, is also the deputy director of one of the largest hospital systems in central Taiwan. Here's a brief showcase of what we've accomplished in the past 3 years. We've been providing AI solutions since 2018. We've competed in Kaggle contest with our technology. In the start of 2020, we acquired patent for the technology. We've also turned our accumulated experiences into a software Maya. Maya stands for Medical AI Aggregator. We've started to market Maya last November. We also work on government projects, such as with the support of Ministry of Science and Technology to research on protein drug development and epilepsy detection. And as in this year, 2021 by March, we made possible for our solution to run on Azure Cloud. We've been hosting quite a few marketing events with Microsoft Taiwan. Moon AI solution is now deployable through cloud, which enables people from around the world to have easy access to our solutions. This summer, we've acquired customers from mainland China and Thailand. In the following months, we aim to expand our international market presence. We would market towards customers in Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and the States. We see our break-even point to take place in 2022. The size of our current capital is $1 million. We believe that we'll do well by doing good. We are highly motivated to contribute to better health care for all. We understand that in current medical systems, physicians treat patients, handle surgeries, and analyze all kinds of data, tabular images, and all that. We believe that will empower them by providing them easy-to-use AI tools. It will be easy for them to build their own prediction models, and they won't have to worry about Python codes. And in that sense, they will have a lot of assisting tools to help out their daily procedures. And we believe that we bring nourishment to this world by providing and developing technology. We've acquired awards in global contests. Our customer in mainland China attained second place in a hack marathon with our software. We attained first place in a natural language processing technology competition and sixth place in image detection of eye disease. And here are some awards from Kaggle competition. We participated in pneumonia detection and transaction prediction, for example. More about our solution and why we're doing what we're doing. The market opportunity for global AI software has been growing, and since COVID hit, telemedicine and software assisting diagnosis have been recognized as an urgent need and a higher priority for many hospitals than ever before. The traditional way of training an AI model includes feature analysis, model selection, and at least 2 groups of experts. One is the computer science team, possibly coding with Python to make this model possible. The other group would be the ones that provide data, that holds domain know-how, maybe professionals from all kinds of industry, possibly finance, e-commerce, or manufacturing, which are the ones that are likely to apply model prediction. Communication is heavily required and costly during these processes. So our idea is, why not empower every person, every data holder to become data scientists, to give people the power to build their own prediction model without having to worry about Python. So what we created is this quickly to use tool that allows medical practitioners to try out data and generate prediction models fast and repeatedly with new data. Instead of taking months or years to work with computer science team to complete just one single projects, with these software, physicians can now complete a dozen model trainings in a single week. Here is a layout of our software. It only contains a few clicks. It is easy to use, and the procedures is simple in our next step reminder. Here are some successful cases we've completed, such as the detection of eye disease from fundus image. We've tried on X-ray for bone density detection, MRI for ACL tear, and many others. Here are some projects that we've been also working on with our clients. Outside of medical industry, we've also been able to apply our Maya technology to build search engine for e-commerce companies, and also super resolution, which is to make blurry photos clarified. We've also been able to build recognition models for manufacturing customers. We mainly collect our revenue and profit from 3 sections. The first is product sales. We develop our AI tool, which is a subscription-based model. We also provide consulting for enterprises that plan to implement AI solution to their industries or companies. Last but not least, we distribute trained models. And in the long run, we aim to create this ecosystem where data scientists can upload their model and distribute their models, which is that we become a reseller for these models. Here are a few numbers for our cost structures and our projections of our sales growth and the development costs of us. And we do plan to run a fundraise. We are now at the round A stage, and we would like to further hear from you. If you would like to partner with us, please feel free to write to us. And thank you for your valuable time.
Second, Kaiwood Technology, an international POCT provider, has devoted itself to developing, manufacturing, and selling readers to interpret immunochromatography rapid test kits.
Finally, inside Medical Solutions, they developed the world's first magnetically controlled capsule endoscope, capable of completely examining the upper digestive tract.
Insight Medical Solution is founded in 2015, and we are specialized in upper GI tract examination endoscope. In 2019, we successfully to launch our products in Taiwan market. Today, I'd like to introduce a novel medical device for you. Have you ever had terrible experience of upper GI tract examination or heard anyone suffering from the examination process? Okay, let me give you a new idea of the upper GI tract examination. As the first generation of the capsule endoscope is launched to the market, it's highly improved on examination process. However, we could not effectively control the endoscope. Seeing this clinical unmet need, Insight Medical Solution dedicated to develop a better examination experience on upper GI tract endoscope. The second generation, which is able to control by magnetic and the wire. Most important is that the wire is made of Kevlar fiber, which is the material also used for bulletproof vest and very strengthened. The pros for the wired endoscope is we could position it linearly, then manipulate it with the MFN to control the endoscope in 3 dimensions. Inside ISEGD system includes the main machine dongle, which is the connector between the computer and the endoscope. The MFN is the magnetic provider to control the endoscope. And the more important is the capsule endoscope. So here we could manipulate the MFN, the magnetic provider, by the easy gesture, like forward and backward and rotate. And we can also combine the 2 gestures together to control the endoscope. And you might still wondering how we can work the overall system. Let's see a short video.
The scope of the inspection includes various parts of the upper digestive tract, such as esophagus, stomach, and duodenum. Due to faster gastrointestinal motility, wired devices can go back and forth to observe symptoms. The patient is fully awake during the process. Through medical-grade displays, the patient can review the gastrointestinal tract in the body and have a full discussion with the physician.
These are the actual photos and the examination environments in Taiwan. We have already qualified by TFDA, GMP, ISO 13485, and we are very honored to announce that we got CE approval this April. Not only focus on regulatory compliance, as a technology-based company, we also put IP strategy into our consideration, like from Taiwan, China, Europe, and the USA. What's more, to evaluate the efficacy and safety of the products, we conduct a clinical trial in the very beginning. And even when we launch the product to the TFDA market, we also conduct the post-market clinical trial to trace the post-market surveillance. For this clinical trial result, physicians also successfully published it in Surgical Endoscopy, the journal, and more clinical results are under reviewing. Let me raise 3 solutions that we are really like to emphasize on. First is safe, second, comfort, third is rapport. So for safe, the system provides a high accuracy diagnosis function. According to the clinical trial conducted in Mackay Memorial Hospital, the completeness of the diagnosis is almost 100%. It's easy for hands-on operation and no anesthesia required. And the single-use the medical device. Most important is the pandemic of the COVID-19, and the aerosol generating procedure raised the possibility infection rate for medical personnel. Inside ISEGD system could effectively avoid the infection percentage. Comfort, On patient sides, they could swallow the endoscope intuitively and no pain would occur. Moreover, patients don't have to ask their family members for accompany during the examination. Because anesthesia is not required, they could resume to the normal life right after the examination. On medical personnel side, the physician could operate the endoscope by easy gesture. For example, they could operate the MFM by backward, forward, and then control the direction of the capsule endoscope. The endoscope is sterilized single-use device. So there's no cross-infection concerns, and it is also time efficiency for medical personnel. Inside EGD could provide accurate real-time image. Therefore, patient could easily communicate with the doctor during examination, which could provide a positive doctor-patient interaction. The other advantage is the system is light and easy for carrying, so it is able to be moved to any optional place, which could minimize the distance if patient has difficulty in moving. Our vision is to develop more safety and effective medical device equipment and to promote the social welfare and national health. Inside ICGD system realize anesthesia-free, painless, disposable, and cross-infection-free upper gastrointestinal endoscopy with the easy examination process and high patient acceptance. The system also provides a better option for patient who is fear of the conventional endoscope examination and highly avoid the risk of anesthesia and post-operative complications. We believe this system can provide an earlier disease examination and provide an earlier treatment for the various disease of esophagus and stomach. So that brings me to the end of the presentation. Thank you.
If you want to know more about the services of the above 13 companies, please scan the QR code to enter the webpage of the online trade meeting on October 21st, 2021. If you have other health and medical needs in Taiwan, please contact the Taiwan Trade Center, Taiwan's leading trade promotion organization. We are looking forward to meeting you.